Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Before starting my video, if you didn't subscribe my channel yet, please do, and do not forget to turn on notifications as I'm sharing everyday great contents for you. In this video, normally I was planning to go through with Weaves, but I'm gonna delay it. First of all, I would like to finish my project, my database account, DB account project completely. Then I would like to go through with Weaves. And now in this lesson we're going to go through with TSQL commands. What is this TSQL? TSQL, the name comes from Transact-SQL. Um, it contains and it helps us to use if-else logics, for example, when or declaring variables using them like a um, like a language, like another language, like okay. To start it, let's close DB account. We need to create a new query. And if you remember previous lesson, while we using trigger and procedure, we used variables. Now we're going to jump into directly how we able to create one, how we set a value to them, and how we able to use our variables. We're going to start step by step. Okay, let's start declaring variables. To declare a variable, we're using @ in MS SQL, and let's say new value, and it's going to be an integer. Let's have a look our value using by select function 5. As you can see, the result is null and there is no column name because we didn't assign anything. So let's set new value must be 5. Function 5, as you can see, the result is 5. So we assign a value and we set it 5 with the 5, and we bring our result on our SQL. Alright, let's add a meaningful column name, result, function 5, the result is 5. Alright, let's do some kind of different examples. Declare at new name varchar 25, and let's set a value new name. As you can see, you can select from your tooltip SQL new name. Let's add Michael function 5. Oh, we need to bring our call. Select add new name function 5. As you can see, this is the Michael. And let's add a meaningful name. Say name function 5. Name is Michael. Alright. You can add, you can use different type of variables. I'm gonna add one more new example. Let's say one week later, and let's say small date time. Okay, set 1 week later as a get date. Alright, let's add date, or is it date at? Just a second, let me delete it. Date at. Alright, so I'm going to add days. Alright, comma. Next is must be the get date, if I remember, or the increment is going to be first 7 days, and the starting date is going to get date. It means today. All right. Let's select. Let's see the today first. Get date, and The second column is 1 week later. Function 5. As you can see, today is 20th of January and 1 week later is 27th of January. Okay, let's add meaningful names. Today and week later. As you can see, these are results. Perfect. Let's make them all command line. Alright, so how we able to use those variables in our projects? Okay, let's bring our database db account function 5. Alright, let's bring our products. Select start from tbl products function 5. These are our products, guys. Let's make a command line. Okay, let's add a variable. Declare let's say all stock, and let's keep them as an integer, and let's set a value. There is a couple of assigning values using query. I'm going to show the long way and the short way. I'm already used the short way while I was creating our triggers, our previous lesson, but in this lesson I'm going to show you both of them. Set all stock. So open a parenthesis. If you remember how we creating our subqueries, so I'm going to make a query which is which I'm going to use summary. Select sum of stock level from TBL products. Let's see the result. Execute. Yeah, we got 1066 product in our stocks. All right, let's select all stock as warehouse stock. Let's function 5. As you can see, warehouse stock is 1066. Perfect. But you can also use another type of setting our data. So let's run our product tables again. Let's see what we have in our hands. We have, for example, how many, yeah, we can count how many products we have. Okay, let's do it. Declare at variety, hopefully I'm writing correctly, variety products. Okay, just say product variety, or product variety is okay. Product variety. Okay, set product. Alright, we need to assign the data type. It's going to be integer. The result is going to be integer. Actually, we can use small int, but it's going to be enough because we have really low amount products. Set product variety. If you remember, we use subquery. Let's do it subquery again. Select count star from TBL products. Okay. Let's select product variety. Function 5, we have 7 products. Let's say product variety. Function 5, we have 7 different products. Perfect. But we can delete these parentheses. As you can see, we got an error because this is a subquery, but you can delete your select and you can delete this set as well. And if you add your select in front of your variable, so it means select the variable and assign this variable this result from TBL products. This is another type of assigning our variables from a table information. Let's function 5 again. The result is not going to be changed. Perfect. Let's make this section command again. Alright guys, I'm going to finish this lesson here. Let's save our files. Query list for TSQL variables. Yeah, perfect. Let's push them into our local repository. CD desktop, CD MS SQL, git check out development, add dot everything, git commit double dash m TSQL variables. Alright, git check out main, and let's merge it with development. Let's have a look. Yeah, it's added. Perfect. Alright guys, thanks for watching my video. If you like the video, I will be really appreciated, as I'm really motivated when I get likes on my video. And if you have any questions, please drop comment below the video. Take care of yourself. See you on the next lesson. Bye bye.